Want to see recently watched reels on Instagram? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, open Instagram app. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Now, if you want to watch all the reels history, then all you gotta do is move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Once you're inside the settings and activity, you need to head over to your activity inside how to use Instagram. Scroll down and in the section of how to use Instagram, head over to watch history. So these are the reels that you have just watched. Well, you can change the author, dates, and also newest to oldest. Set the settings according to your need and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can see watched reels on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.